these 6 menstrual pads. They are washable, kind of like just, you know, cloth diapers. These are cloth pads. I've only used these for the 3-week postpartum period where I was bleeding heavily from giving birth. When I did use them for my postpartum bleeding, they worked very well, and I bleed really heavily during my period and even more heavily right after I've had a baby. So they worked really well. They're super absorbent. It's really soft and comfortable. So yeah, I would highly recommend these if you're looking for something that's washable. You don't have to continue buying tampons and pads and throwing those away. For one, it's really bad for the environment. For two, it's bad on your wallet. You're spending, you know, 20 bucks a month, well, you know, 10 to 20 bucks a month depending on how heavy your flow is to keep up with your period. You buy these once and they're probably going to last you a very, very long time. They have like a couple layers in here. I think there's like a charcoal layer. They also have wings. If you're worried about that, it says HighOh on here. They have little wings with these little buttons like you would see on cloth cloth diapers. So you can adjust it to fit your underwear so it's not sliding around on your panties. So yeah, I highly recommend these. And like I said, they also included a wet bag. So when you're done with it, you can just, like when you've used it, you can fold it up just like this. And then this folds around. And you can clip it together so there's no mess. So if you're like not at home where you can like throw it in the wash immediately, you can just fold it up like this, put it in your wet bag where it will not leak into your purse or bag. Put it in the wet bag, put the wet bag closed in your purse so you don't have to worry about anything contaminating your belongings or your purse. So yeah, and you can just fold them up just like that, and then unzip the wet bag, throw it in the wash when you get home, wash it, and they'll be ready to go for the next day. So highly recommend. And I think they have larger sets, or you can buy multiple sets for all the women in your family. I plan to get some for my daughter, who will be starting her first period in the very near future. I believe she's 12, so it's coming. So I'm definitely going to give her some of these because I think they're perfect for a young girl just starting out with her menses and all of that. So I'm definitely going to get her some of these, and yeah, I highly recommend these. And I'll leave all the information linked down below where you can buy them. And I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this, or if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. So thanks again for watching. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you. Bye. Here's the wet bag. I found it. This is what it looks like. And like I said, a wet bag, I just hang it on my bathroom door when I need to use it. Just leave it unzipped. You can pop your used pads in there, close it up, throw it in the wash when you're done with all of them. And yeah, it's beautiful. And if you keep it in your purse, the inside is waterproof, so nothing will come out.